How to fix Roblox frozen screen mobile. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this problem on your Roblox. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your device. Then you have to open apps option, and here what's next, you have to search for Roblox. Then when you found Roblox, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Here on storage option, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, then click OK. Also click on clear cache and go back, click on first stop and click OK. And now you have to set as to go to this option, set as a default. If you found this open supported links not opening, you have to open it like this or to enable it like this. So that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.